Hey, what's up, Jet Boost here. I'm with my man Nate, looking at his 370z Nismo. It is boosted and on meth, right?
Water-Meth.
Water-Meth, probably only 370 out there. It's boosted and on meth. It's single turbo. Yeah, some like super meaty tires in the rear. How long you had the car?
About a year and a half.
Year and a half? How big's the turbo on it?
It's Garrett's version of the equivalent of the 6466 by PTE. It's rated up to about 950.
How much boost you pushing?
We are at 13.5 pounds right now, and it puts down 660 wheel horsepower and 570 torque.
You know, stock block also, right?
Stock block, the only thing that's been done to the block is Soho Motorsports ported out lower, and that was it.
What tune you running?
We are running an Injected tune. We're tuned for E90, E85, 93 Water-Meth, and race gas 110 Water-Meth.
And also he has it, so you said your math can be bypassed?
Yes, we're having a little bit of idle issues here and there, and obviously it gets pretty hot. So Nick Soho and worked with Ecotech themselves, and it's running a beta program that actually bypasses the MAF sensors and runs off crankcase, the crankcase sensor itself.
So you pretty much, what'd you have before this, you said?
I had a 2015 Roush Stage 2 Mustang.
Whew. Yeah, 2015 Roush. Before that, he had a GT 500. So glad this is like my big father right here. When it comes to disease, it's just like exactly where you're supposed to be. So what you doing next to it?
We'll probably end up building the lower end. We're not going to close the deck or anything like that. We're not looking for 1,000 horsepower. Maybe push about 780 somewhere there, hopefully. But we're going to crank up the torque and hopefully hit around the 750, maybe 800.
What made you want to run meth?
Meth, when we hopped off the E85, E90, meth has some of the same attributes as the ethanol-based fuels, which actually cools the cylinders and so forth. So it allows you to pull back timing, things like that, obviously, which equates to more.
There are more parts power. Can you start up for us? Did we hear the exhaust?
Yep.
Is this 3-inch all the way back?
Well, that's fake. It's a turn-down pipe underneath. There is no exhaust.
Oh. Ooh. Your lobster tail? Ooh. Yeah.
Nope. Straight down.
Oh, wow.
Right underneath here.
Oh, man. This thing is nasty, man. Known Nate for a few months now. Real cool guy. Love his car, man. This is exactly where schools are here. Definitely gonna go for a ride so you guys can see it and everything. That's nice.
They get to have a lot of fun. I got a Camaro on my ass.
Oh, don't turn left. Oh, don't turn right. This thing's so quick.
And it's real smooth.
Yeah, it's mine starts bouncing and
So we went to 120 on that.
Whew, 120, that quick. You're on E85?
That's just on 93.
93, okay.
Yep.
You're on E85 in the future?
We had E85, but we traded it out for 110 race gas.
Okay. Oh yeah. You like the way 110 runs?